I'm gonna go over the MACD, or the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and here, right here, is a bearish signal or a sell signal, also starting another bearish count on the sequence counter. This is going to signal a sell-off very soon and a good swing trade opportunity if you're looking for a bearish trade. And I'm going to show you a bullish reversal conditions on the MACD. There's one right here, and it just reaches the bottom right here and then starts to go up until you reach some place like right here where the volume starts to go down, but the price remains somewhat stable until this move. Yeah, like I said, the MACD is generally good for swing trades, not too much for intraday. If I was going to use intraday or really short swing trades, I would use the 4-hour and 1-hour, or maybe even the 30-minute, which is also signaling a bearish signal, unless it this is a false breakdown. Could be a bear trap, you never know. Generally, the higher the time frame, the more accurate the MACD is. Alright, that's pretty much it. You know, you got your bullish signal when you want to buy down here, versus your bearish signal, and of course you want to see this move before it happens so you can get the most amount of money on your exit. Another one is here. This is a bullish trade you could have made. And next I'll go over the RSI, and these two indicators together are really powerful for swing trades.